The Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria, MAAUN, is to partner with the reputable publishing organization Elservier in areas of research, training, and educational development as part of efforts to maintain its mission of promoting innovative research and training through capacity building. In a virtual meeting between the management of MAAUN and Elservier held recently, the Vice President of Administration, Dr. Habib Awais Abubakar, highlighted some key areas of possible collaboration, which include research and innovation, among others. In his presentation, Elservier Regional Manager Sub-Saharan Africa, Mr. Victor Ukegu, explained the mandate of the organization and possible areas of collaboration with MAAUN. He stated that Elservier works in partnership with the research community, libraries, funders, and other stakeholders in initiatives that drive the way information is reviewed, validated, archived, and disseminated in global research environment. According to him, Elservier has a large database with trusted high-quality journals that are updated regularly, different solutions, data collections, questionnaires, e-book, and different sets of files that help research and academics in obtaining data during their research work. He said Elservier uses Scopus, a platform with the largest abstract and citation database of peer-reviewed literature in the world, as well as Science Direct, which he said has a trusted and high-quality research work and journals in different fields of studies and research. Elservier representative also highlighted some possible areas in collaboration and assistance to MAAUN, which he said include contact sharing, support for research and researchers, access to journals and Science Direct, and access to e-books and articles of choice. Other areas, he said, are consultation-specific sessions with the director of the institution, facilitate webinars, workshops and training, research preparations, as well as connect the university with resource persons and with a university in Mauritius for possible collaboration. Earlier in the meeting, the Director, Africa Institute for Higher Education, Research and Innovation, AHERI, Dr. Abubakar Sadiq Haruna, expressed delight and satisfaction with the activities of Elservier as a leading publication entity in the world. According to him, a sister university of Maryam Abacha American University of Niger, MAAUN Maradi, in Niger Republic, had already floated 4 journals and conducted colloquiums for postgraduate students. He therefore solicited Elsevier's support to the organization, a world-standard physical conference that will bring together scholars, research persons, and researchers from different fields of expertise to serve as an avenue for scholarly review and innovative educational development. The president of Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria, Professor Dr. Muhammad Israel, lauded the management of Elservier for their effort in enriching research work with high-quality intelligence, insightful analysis, and strategic planning in the research field, and its advancement of cross-sector partnership with world-leading universities and institutes of learning. He assured the team of MAAUN's readiness to collaborate with Elservier in research interactions as well as profile visibility. Professor Israr pointed out that in this age and time, the research ecosystem is both highly competitive and collaborative, and to succeed, every organization needs information that supports strategic decision-making for the research to flourish, advance societal development, and drive economic growth. At the end of the meeting, both parties agreed to sign a memorandum of understanding on areas of interest at a later date, and generates insightful data with research intelligence solution, including Scopus and Science Direct, which provides quality, structured data, advanced analytic, and array of indicators and metrics that will help researchers and research work activities achieve the desired objectives. Elservier pledged to offer MAAUN a complimentary service on some highlighted programs. Other principal officers in attendance at the meeting were Dr. Abdullahi Garba and Maimuna Said Bello, who represented the Director Founder's Office, while the country representative Nigeria, Ibrahim Usman, and Dr. Abdullahi Bala Ado Al-Qalam University, Katsina, were part of the virtual conversation from Elservier team. Founded in 1880, Elservier is a Netherlands-based academic publishing company specializing in scientific, technical, and medical content. Its products include journals such as The Lancer, Cell, The Science Direct, and Scopus, among others. It also conducts conferences, exhibitions, and workshops around the world with over 50 conferences a year, covering life science, physical science, engineering, social, and health sciences.